This is 299, 355, and this is 799. Same category, same product, but different pricing. Let me break it down for you technically. To price your product properly, you need to calculate 5 things. COGS, what you pay to manufacture or source the product. Overhead per unit. It includes all fixed or setup costs like packaging, storage, or equipment. You divide that by how many units you're producing or purchasing in your first batch. If you're starting with 100 items, spread the cost across those. Then, shipping per unit. Average delivery cost per order. Marketing per unit. Add budget divided by expected orders. If you're spending 5,000 and expect 100 sales, that's 50 per unit. And the last one is desired profit margin. How much profit you want per unit? Usually 30 to 60% depending on the niche business keeps the profit margin. Let's say your cost of goods is 200, overhead 30, shipping 50, and marketing 70. That's total 350. Now, if you want a 40% profit margin, price it around 600. Want to offer discounts? Set your final price first and back calculate the max discount you can give without killing profits. This is how smart brand price. Not emotionally, but with logic, numbers, and strategy. Need help in building this system for your store? You know where to find me. Follow me.